Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 1 with the Hearts for You January 2025 paper pumpkin kit. All right, so we've got our card base, we've got our card front, we've got our pieces that we need to use, we've got our stamps, and we've got our greeting banner. So the first thing they want us to do is to take the heart stamp and ink it up with real red, but I'm going to put some Versamark on it first. I'm also going to Versamark the greeting here. Just helps keep this stamp from staining. So I'm just going to ink this up. Okay, and no, I'm just making sure I've got lots of ink coverage on here, and I do. So we need to put one up here like that, and then we need to put another one down here like this, and a third one just down here like this. Okay, so that's got our heart done. Now let's stamp our greeting. The greeting is "You're my favorite." So I'm just going to take our real red, and I write the name of the ink color on the base because I store my ink spots upside down. So there we go. And we're going to do the "You're my favorite," just like that. There we go. Okay. So now we need to start assembling. So I've got 20 inches of the ribbon or the thread, and I need to tie it around the card base. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive. I'm going to put one of the sticky dots on the base, just so that I've got something to adhere to, so that it doesn't slip everywhere. Okay, so there we go. All right, so that's done. And I need to be able to tie it off on this side. So I'm going to start it over here like that. I just adhered it in the back. I'm going to adhere it on the other side, and then bring it around the front, and then we're going to tie it off. I always find it really difficult to tie these off, so I'm going to try a trick that I saw on Instagram, and I'm sorry, I can't remember whose trick it was. If it was yours, please let me know so that I can give you credit. You just take your tweezers and you grab it right there like that, and then you can tie your bow. Okay, we're just going to make our, there we go, and then just snug it up, and we're good to go. If you don't have tweezers, that's fine. You don't have to use the tweezers. And then we're just going to take our scissors, and we're going to trim off the extra like that. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to take this, and I need to take my dimensionals, and I need to pop dimensionals in along the edge like that, and down the side, one on each edge, and then 3 along the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to just peel those backs off, and we're going to go ahead and add this to the front. So I'm following directions while I'm doing this, so sorry I'm not talking as much as I normally do. I'm trying to make sure that I don't mess this up while I'm trying to show you how to do it. Okay, and one more. There we go. All right. Okay, so we're going to take our card base. We're going to make sure that we're the right way up. And then we place this on our card front like that. We're going to take our greeting and we're going to put dimensionals on the back of the greeting. Just 2, it says. Just pop those off to the side. Take the backs off. And this goes make sure we're straight. There we go. And then we've got our bow like that. That's really cute. Okay. So what I need are these pieces here. And I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of the Flirty Flamingo heart with the champagne bling on it, or detail. Okay, there we go. And this is going to pop down right here like this. And then we're going to take our stickers and we're going to take one of the outlines from here and we're going to pop it down like that. And then we're going to take one of the small hearts and we're going to pop it down over here. And then we're going to take bling, and I need to put one of these little hearts up here and then a couple down here and then 2 more, one here and one there. So there we go. That is our first project using elements from the January 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Hearts for You. So that is our first project. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for project number 2.